Okay, let's take a look at question 5. So this is a non-calculator question. At a conference of 100 mathematicians, there are 72 men and 28 women. Sounds about right. Okay, the men have a mean height of 1.79 meters and the women have a mean height of 1.62 meters. Find the mean height of the 100 mathematicians. Okay, so essentially here, we can't just find the mean of these two numbers because there's more men than there are women. If it was 50-50, we could just find the mean. So this is basically our x value here, and this is our frequency. So if I was to put that into a table, we've just got kind of two counts. We've got this height for all the men, if we average it out, that's their mean, and this height for all the women. You could think of this as a weighting question, or you could think of it as a percentage kind of question, but we're going to do the same calculations either way. We'll have 1.79 times 72, and then we'll have 1.62 times 28, and we'll add those together, and then we'll divide by 100, because you can think of this as a percentage, right? And so if you're doing 72% of that and 28% of those, then you want to add it up. So if I've got a percentage there, it's already divided by 100. If I haven't got the percentage sign there, I need to divide it by 100 at the end. So I'll probably just won't bother. Now, this is probably where the question comes from. Why is this non-calculator? There might be actually a mistake here, because I doubt, even though we could do this without a calculator, I doubt you'd be asked to. All right, but let's just do it. I mean, this is how you would do it if you were asked, sorry. 7 times 2 is 14. And then, right, this is actually the kind of stuff I'm teaching year 7 at the minute. But admittedly, it's been a long time since you guys would have been asked to do this. Then our second one, you've got 28% times 1.62. Add those up. Okay, so I should really put the decimal point back in here. I might just put it in afterwards. It's going to be pretty obvious where the decimal point needs to go, because otherwise it would be a crazy answer. So there we go. Obviously our decimal point goes here. Okay, 1.7424 meters, or to 3 significant figures, it's 1.74. Does that make sense? Well, yeah, because it's a bit below the men height and a bit above the female height, but closer towards the men because we've got more men.